How to change language on Google Docs on PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to Google Docs. This is the home page as you can see right here. Now all what you have to do to change the language, go here and go down to settings right here as you can see, and you will find the first option, language. Click on it, it will take you to this page. Click on this pencil right here and choose any language you want and click on it, then click select from here and it's gonna be changed successfully. If this video was helpful and simple, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. See you later.